Hi, my name is Aubrey Alojado. I have spent 10 years of my life in the BPO industry doing customer service and sales, which will be a great contribution to this new position that I'll be landing into as a virtual assistant. Although I love what I've been doing for the longest time, I'm now up and ready for a new challenge for this new position as a virtual assistant. I'm really excited for this position. I'm excited to call all of those leads that I will be given soon, telling them how important or how it's going to be a great help for them acquiring our services. One of my great strengths would be my attention to details. When I'm given a certain task, I'm making sure that it's getting done on time. And when I'm given a certain numbers to reach or a quota, I'm making sure that I reach them, or better if I can go above those numbers. So that's it. I'm hoping that you would consider me. I want to thank you for your time today, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.